What is Dustless Blasting? Dustless Blasting is a revolutionary paint stripping and cleaning system that can remove essentially any coating from a vast majority of surfaces without creating a huge plume of dust. Our machines work by mixing water and abrasive inside the blast pot. By introducing water, we're drastically increasing the mass and energy that the machine is putting out, all while suppressing dust. How does wet blasting not cause rust? By using our specially formulated rust inhibitor, flash rust is prevented for up to 72 hours. All you have to do is add the inhibitor to the blast water to prevent flash rust during blasting, and then use it as a rinse after blasting is complete. How does it affect the environment? The dustless blasting process is far safer and cleaner than traditional blasting methods. With dustless blasting, water encapsulates the abrasive and coatings being removed, which prevents them from becoming airborne and being inhaled. Furthermore, it makes spent media easy to contain and allows different cleanup methods to ensure you're leaving the job better than you found it. What kinds of media can I use? Dustless blasting allows you to use a wide variety of abrasives, either wet or dry. Our favorite abrasive is recycled bottle glass because it's clean, inexpensive, environmentally friendly, and suited for a wide variety of jobs. Here are just a few of the kinds of abrasives you can use. Can I test out your equipment? We're always happy to have people stop by and demo our machines. If you pick up your machine in Houston, you will receive hands-on training and learn how to be a dustless blaster in a matter of minutes. Visit dustlessblasting.com to learn more.